Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're taking a look at the AUDUSD, analyzing the latest news and dissecting the chart data. The Australian dollar is facing a bit of pressure today, primarily driven by concerns around China's economic recovery. Reports suggest that China's manufacturing activity is slowing, which is a significant factor affecting the AUD because Australia is a major exporter of raw materials to China. This news has contributed to a bearish sentiment surrounding the AUD, leading to its decline against the US dollar. However, the Reserve Bank of Australia, RBA, has recently maintained interest rates at 4.35%, indicating a hawkish stance on inflation and potentially bolstering the AUD in the long term. Let's look at the one-day chart to get a broader picture of the AUDUSD's recent performance. Overall, the AUDUSD has been trending downwards in the last few weeks, with a noticeable drop in recent days. The downward trend is evident in the series of lower highs and lower lows, suggesting a bearish bias. Zooming in on the past few days, we can observe a strong sell-off, pushing the AUDUSD towards the 0.6700 level. This level could be seen as a crucial support area. If the AUDUSD falls below 0.6700, it could trigger further selling pressure and drive the price towards the next support level, which lies around 0.6650. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a more detailed look at the recent price movements. Here we can see a series of bearish candlesticks, suggesting a continuation of the downward trend. The price has been consolidating below the 0.6720 level, indicating a possible resistance zone. If the price breaks through this resistance level, it could signal a potential short-term bounce back towards 0.6750. However, if the price fails to break through the resistance and continues to fall, it could strengthen the bearish bias and push the price towards 0.6700. To get an even closer perspective, let's look at the 15-minute chart and see how the AUDUSD has been trading in the last few hours. The price has been fluctuating in a relatively narrow range, indicating a period of indecision in the market. This consolidation could be a sign that the market is trying to find direction, and we might see a breakout soon. If the price breaks above the 0.6720 level, it could signal a short-term bullish move. On the other hand, if the price breaks below the 0.6700 level, it could trigger a short-term bearish move. The key to watch is the price action at these levels to determine the direction of the short-term trend. In summary, the AUDUSD is currently facing downward pressure due to concerns about China's economic recovery. The one-day chart shows a clear downward trend, with the 0.6700 level acting as crucial support. The 1-hour chart indicates a possible resistance zone around 0.6720. If the price breaks through this level, it could trigger a short-term rebound, while a failure to break through could strengthen the bearish bias. The 15-minute chart shows consolidation, suggesting a period of indecision in the market. The price action at the 0.6720 and 0.6700 levels will be key to watch in the short term to determine the direction of the trend. Remember, this analysis is solely for educational purposes and not financial advice. Always conduct your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any trading decisions.